What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, which unfortunately yesterday we gave up quite a lot of our bullish momentum, alright? So yeah, just wanted to do an update on that. Of course, I cover this daily, but at this point of time, what you see is that it's not going great, alright? What you can see here is that overall we actually, if you look at the momentum has dropped down significantly. Also had a massive bearish breakout. Insofar you can actually call that on open interest. But no, we're just losing momentum continuously right here. All right. So at this point of time, even though I think if you like really zoom out with Bitcoin, I think it's most likely to assume that this is some sort of a consolidation, right? So that we are actually bouncing around between strong levels here between like 72,000 and 62,000 or 60 or 58, basically this level. We can drop down lower than the current drop we've had, which was down to 61,000. So purely technically, this is actually not bearish, because usually if you have a very strong uptrend, which we had, and you get into a consolidation, usually that continues with a continuation, which in this case is bullish. All right, so long term, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. Purely technically, we look pretty strong. We still have to see how the halving is going to affect that, of course. I mean, usually what people say and what people expect is that after the halving will dump because it's a sell the news effect. I think that's a possibility. I'm not sure if that's really going to happen. But all right, so even though if you zoom out and on the larger time frames, I think we're still bullish. Short term, it looks quite bad, right? Because we basically had a big fake out above 71,500. Then yesterday we still respected this 28 EMA right here at like 69,700. But we gave that up. Put in a bearish break retest earlier this morning. You can see we dropped down below the 28 EMA and then also retested it. And right now, what you see, and that's in my eyes one of the most important things to look at, is that usually one of the things I look at when I want to see whether a crypto is bullish or not is the open interest, and that in combination with the price. I mean, you can see the same for the price, but that's just super bearish. All right, we're losing momentum. We're getting bearish breakouts here. You can see it like this, right? Oh, not like that. You can see it like this, all right? So basically Bitcoin right here, since hitting that top earlier on Monday, has been in this downtrend. And as long as this downtrend technically holds, we are short-term going to be bearish. So then the main question is can we actually break out of that downtrend? And luckily the answer is yes, but it does need to come rather quickly, all right? So if you look at the current level we have, the current support level we have, it's actually a pretty big level, because there's a lot of support between 68,500, which is also where we found support yesterday, and then this trend line plus 200 EMA at 67,000. So what needs to happen? I don't think 68,500 is going to provide that much support. I think we need to drop down to 67,000 and from there break back above 68,600. Because the trend line is then there, it's also a significant level. So if from that support level we can get that bullish breakout, all right, well then we can actually rally back up to 71,500, and then at least we are no longer bearish. Whether it will really turn into something bullish, I don't know. It depends, which I hate to say, but it does. So that's what we're waiting for right now. It looks quite likely at this moment that 68,600 will not hold. So then the main, our eyes should be on 67,000. Can we not break back above 68,600 from there? Then we're dropping down lower, all right? So then we're aiming for those levels around 65,000 again, 62,000 and 60. But I'll keep you updated on that, all right? In general, today is a pretty crucial day. We also have CPI and inflation rate numbers. I don't think those will matter a lot, but they could cause some volatility, and in general, that could lead to something. But we'll see, all right? Right now, that's the main thing to watch. Looks pretty bearish short term. Overall, I wouldn't worry too much if you're in it for the long term. But those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.